Hey there, viewers. Photoman here. And the next few videos are going to be on bungalow schools that are still standing in Calgary. The first one is the oldest one at 1913, and I'll go from oldest to latest in years. This is the Balmoral Bungalow School. It was a temporary educational structure to house students until the larger Balmoral Sandstone School, which you'll see in this video as well in the background, was completed. These bungalow schools were designed to be converted into apartments or moved after serving their initial educational purpose. But the Balmoral Bungalow School was retained due to continued enrollment and is now used by Chinook Learning Services.